How our brains store and retrieve information. Have you ever wondered how your brain is able to store and retrieve information? How do you remember your first kiss or your favorite song lyrics? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of memory and how our brains are able to store and retrieve information. Our brains are like a complex filing system, with each memory stored in a different section. When we learn something new, our brain creates a new memory and stores it in the appropriate section. But how does our brain know where to store the memory? It's all thanks to the hippocampus, a small structure in our brain that acts like a librarian, organizing and categorizing our memories. Think of your brain like a computer. Just like a computer has a hard drive to store information, our brain has the hippocampus to store memories. And just like a computer needs to organize its files, our brain needs to organize its memories. Let's say you're trying to remember your best friend's birthday. You might associate their birthday with a specific event, like a party or a gift you gave them. By creating these associations, you're helping your brain store the memory in the appropriate section. But what happens when we forget something? It's not that the memory is lost forever, it's just that our brain can't retrieve it at the moment. Retrieval is the process of accessing a memory that has been previously stored. And just like a librarian needs to know where a book is located in the library, our brain needs to know where a memory is stored in order to retrieve it. Think of your brain like a search engine. When you're trying to remember something, your brain searches through all the memories stored in the appropriate section until it finds the one you're looking for. Let's say you're trying to remember the name of a song. You might try to remember the lyrics or the melody to help you retrieve the memory. By using these cues, you're helping your brain retrieve the memory of the song. So, there you have it, the fascinating world of memory and how our brains store and retrieve information. By understanding how our brain works, we can improve our memory and learn more effectively. So next time you're trying to remember something, think of your brain like a library or a search engine, and use rehearsal and cues to help strengthen and retrieve your memories. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about the fascinating world of science, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.